Good morning, students. Today's topic is baking soda. Baking soda is the major constituent of baking powder. Chemically, it is called as sodium hydrogen carbonate or sodium bicarbonate. Its chemical formula is NaHCO3. Na is the symbol of sodium, hydrogen H, carbonate CO3. That formula is sodium hydrogen carbonate. It is also called as sodium bicarbonate. How it is prepared? Preparation is it is an intermediate primary product in the Solvay's process for manufacturing of sodium carbonate, means washing soda. Here first take baking soda is prepared from brine. Brine means NaCl plus water plus ammonia and CO2 gas is passed. After that it will form NaHCO3, which is called as baking soda, plus ammonium chloride is formed. Then these baking soda that are soluble in water and it can be removed by filtration method. What are the uses of baking soda? Baking soda is easily available in our home. Use number 1. It is used in the preparation of baking powder. Means baking powder is made up of baking soda plus tartaric acid having formula C4H6O6. Means baking powder is added to the dough to be used for making the cakes or breads. When the baking powder is added to the dough while making cakes or breads and heated, after heated, it will give rise to carbon dioxide gas, which causes the cake to rise and become light. The bubble of this gas that are escaping leaving behind pores which increase the size of cake or bread and make it fluffy. The tartaric acid present in the baking powder that neutralize the sodium carbonate. If it is not done, then the cake will taste bitter. Means sodium carbonate has injurious side effect. So one question arises from it: if baking soda is used in place of baking powder, what will be the result? Means if tartaric acid is not present in baking powder, then the cake will taste bitter due to the presence of sodium carbonate, which is injurious to side effect. This sodium hydrogen carbonate means baking soda, after heated it will form anhydrous sodium carbonate plus CO2 plus water. This sodium carbonate is injurious side effect. Now the next use is used in the preparation of soft drinks and fruit salts. Point number 3. Baking soda act as an antacid. Means the acidity in the stomach is caused due to the formation of excess HCl, means hydrochloric acid. Then baking soda react with HCl. It will form NaCl plus water plus CO2. Means when baking soda react with acid because of its alkaline nature, and it neutralize the effect. So it act as a antacid. Means antacid is the substance which neutralize the excess acid which is released in our stomach. Next, fourth use, baking soda in fire extinguisher. It is used in soda acid fire extinguisher. Means soda acid fire means it is made up of sodium hydrogen carbonate and sulfuric acid. Soda mean baking soda, NaHCO3. Acid means H2SO4. This is a strong acid. When this acid react with NaHCO3 react with H2SO4, it will form NaCl plus water plus CO2. This reaction is formed. It means these soda acid contains NaHCO3 and H2SO4 which are in separate container. When a knob of the fire extinguishers is pressed, then sulfuric acid get mixed with NaHCO3 solution and it produce a lot of CO2 gas. This gas is released, which form a blanket over the fire and cut it off from the supply of air to the burning substance, and the fire stops. Now one more question arises. During summer, milkmen add a very small amount of baking soda to the fresh milk because it acts as a preservative. Answer is that in hot weather milk is expected to decompose and release a large amount of lactic acid, which is likely to make a milk sour. So baking soda when react with acid to form a salt and water. In this way it neutralizes the acid and the milk does not become sour. Thank you students. All these are the uses of baking soda. Thanks.